Hello and welcome to Luxe. I'm so glad you are here. Today we are talking about something every parent is thinking about right now, the back to school braids for our little boys. Let's get them looking sharp and fresh for the new term. We all know the morning rush is real, so you want a style that lasts and is very easy to maintain. This video is here to inspire you. We have the all-time classic, the straight back cornrows. They are the go-to. They are simple, neat, and very easy to maintain. If your little boy wants something a bit cooler, try the zigzag braids or the box braids. And if he has a fade on the sides, just braiding the top looks amazing and take half the time in the chair. Now, a quick secret to make this last at least 2 weeks. Don't let them sleep without a durag or a satin bonnet. It stops the freeze. Secondly, just a little bit of hair oil on the scalp every few days keeps away the itching. It's very important to moisturize your hair. It's that simple. There is nothing like seeing them walk into school with their head held high because they know they look good. So do well to watch this video to the end. And if you find any style that caught your fancy, make sure you screenshot, show your hairstylist, or if you are your son's stylist, do well to save your preferred style. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas. Bye. See you.